Alright guys, you know it's your boy Ibby back on the cam with another mukbang. Yo, so you guys know, if you're from Jamaica, like how special KFC is to us, man. Like, yo, when I hear this bag ruffling or you smell this coming through the kitchen or the house, man, I loved my mom the most when she brought KFC. That's how deep it is. But I'm gonna show you guys what's inside the bag. I know you guys want to see that. Hear the ruffling of the bag? Hear that? That just brings excitement, yo. But the first thing that I got here is this is the famous bowl. It's very popular in Jamaica. I'm not sure if it's anywhere else, but this is the KFC famous bowl. This is the barbecue one. Oh my gosh, the excitement. All right, check it out. You guys might see that there. That's the famous bowl, and it has it's like barbecue popcorn chicken with cheese and mashed potatoes and corn. Yo, awesome. So I'm gonna pop that down there. That's something that I like to order at KFC quite often. And of course, this I don't order much, but this is just oh gosh, yeah, this is just mashed potatoes and gravy. That's all that is. Just some mashed potato and gravy. Nothing bad. I don't normally order this at KFC. I'm a coleslaw guy, but they had no coleslaw today, so. What else did I get in the bag? Zinger. As you guys can see, I have the zinger right here. This is like a big burger for us here. It's very popular. I'll show you guys that pretty soon. It was released a couple years ago and it's still on the market, so you know that people love it here. That's for sure. And in this bag I got biscuits. A couple years ago I didn't like biscuits. Well, this is not biscuits, this is corn on the cob. I don't normally order this, but it is pretty good. What else do I have in my goodie bag? Where's my biscuit? I'm about to kill somebody. Oh, okay. They alright. They live another day. Of course, I got my biscuits right here. You guys see that? Oh, how I like my biscuits, I like when it's like, it's not too burnt. I like when it's kind of like this, very light. Oh, take a bite of this. I had to. Nice and fresh. And what else I got in my bag? I got my straw. My trusty little straw here. This is kind of dry. And this right here, this is a nice ratio. This is a little bit of ginger beer and grape. And then here, what I got? Ooh, yeah. Look at that. What I got inside here. These bad boys. Wings. I know some of you are like really hungry and upset right now. I'm sorry. You should not be here if you're not eating too. And fries. Not a big fan of KFC fries, but still good. And my typical order inside this. I normally order this. This is a 2-piece chicken, barbecue thigh, and a nice spicy wing. Anyway, let's start into this video. Start off with this wing, guys. Oh my god. Oh, my fries almost fell. Take a look at this, man. Like, it's so weird. People in America, when they eat their wings, they only eat like the middle part and then leave the edge. Bruh, don't waste the chicken. This is all the good stuff. Look at that good stuff. All crispy, all spicy. Yo. That's some good chicken. Super good. This is a blessing. Alright, in here. Alright, so take a look at this. This is how you should be eating your chicken in the US, guys. everything. Don't waste that good stuff. The skin. Now it's legend that KFC has the best chicken from Jamaica. I don't know. I've tried KFC. Oh, look at this. You guys can see. You guys can see that barbecue. How wet. Oh my gosh. That's how I like it. I don't like it when it's too wet, but I like when it's perfectly coated. The only thing that's missing for me is that coleslaw. I like the coleslaw because it balances the spicy of the wings. Oh my gosh. Got a nice sip of this. Whoa. So back to what I was saying. Oh god, it's so good. Back to what I was saying about KFC. You know, us as Jamaicans, we always say that KFC is like the best here. Where's my fork? They say it's the best here. And to be quite honest, based on my experiences, I've had KFC in New York, I believe, New Jersey, Alabama. And of course, every KFC has a different thing. Nice and hot. Let's do this together. Dip a little bit of the wing. Oh, look at that. Do it together. A little wing. A little bit of mash. I just invented this. A nice contrast between that soft and that crunchy. I know you wish you were here, but you're not. Yeah, but all the different KFCs have their different little menus. Like there's the grilled chicken overseas or whatever. My gosh. Excited. But yeah, I don't quite like the ones overseas. It's not that good. Like I had the one at Alabama, which wasn't so bad. But yeah. If you're not from Jamaica, but you've been here and you've had KFC chicken, tell us, man. Do you agree? Or if you're from Jamaica, like, and you've had KFC chicken here, but you think it's also as good overseas, tell us as well. You liar. Oh, okay. I'm having a good time. I don't know what to eat. Let's get back to my baby. Okay. Heaven. This is heaven, man. Yeah, shout out to all my subscribers who told me about, doing mukbangs. Do mukbangs. You know you love food. You always talk about food. Here I am. Doing mukbangs. If you want more mukbangs, drop a like. Alright. Let's try something else. I'm about to get really rude right now. Let's try the famous bowl. No, not famous bowl. Yeah. Yeah. Now, whoever invented the famous ball, look at that. My girlfriend likes when it starts melting. When at the top, the cheese is really melted. Right now, it's not so melted, but whatever. But whoever invented it did a good job. Like, who would have thought, you know, the mashed potatoes, the corn, that nice little, like you hear that little gentle crunch from the corn, and the cheese on top. This is really good. It's really good. And I think this is like probably the best value for money. This one here at KFC. So I don't like fries by itself. That chicken and fries. The mash. Look at that, guys. See that? I know you want some, but you gotta be in Jamaica. Wow. This is good. This is one of my favorites. Alright. Let's go to the main event. Most of you might have never seen this before. And that's the zinger. Open that up for you. I got you. I got you. Don't worry. Check it out. So inside, you got spicy meat. You got mayo. You got lettuce. Are there tomatoes in this? Whatever. I'm not a picky eater, so. And the bun is like so soft. This is a pretty good burger. I don't order it very often because I think KFC is for KFC. It's like for chicken. But it's good that they have this diversity. Now this is how you know when the chicken is like spicy. When you look on the inside and you can see the spicy sauce, like it's kind of orange looking. Yeah, but this is a good sandwich. Wow. Guys, thank you for telling me about mukbangs, or pushing me to do mukbangs. This is the best thing I've ever did. Alright. So I'm gonna do a little bit of each. So I got some burger. Try a piece of this wing. A piece of this barbecue wing. A little bit of mash. It's like a celebration. I needed this. I tell people all the time, if you go to KFC right now, they probably have my picture up for Employee of the Month. So I got work there. Oh boy. What haven't I had as yet? Corn on the cob. Okay. Don't cry over there. I hear you, beautiful. No. Eat me. Eat me. Trying to play hard to get. No, don't eat me yet. Eat me. patty though. I haven't had this in a long time. Wow, it's hot. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Jeez, man. What should I go into? Wow. I don't buy this often, but if I'm to be honest, it is nice and juicy. Wow. It's super hot. Man, it's so juicy. This is definitely a sweet corn. Time to do a combo. Like, I wish I could really explain. I don't know what's the difference why the KFC here is like this good, but it's just done right. And I'm not trying to be biased because I'm Jamaican, but it's really done right. Wow. You know, I'm happy for days like these, because I'm gonna tell you a little story. So when I was a kid, like, my neighbor would carpool, and I used to hate Fridays. Because typically in Jamaica, like, on a Friday, people don't cook. You normally go home and, like, there is, like, KFC or whatever the case is. And my neighbor, she would always go to, like, KFC or McDonald's when it was in Jamaica. And then she would go to KFC sometimes, and you would smell that chicken. You would know that it would be like crunching in your mouth if you had that opportunity to have it. The chicken would come, she'd put it in the car, and it was like 3 of us, like her 2 sons, me, sometimes another guy. And they were like, yo, I know she knows we are kids, and we're gonna want KFC. Well, her kids are gonna get KFC for sure. But the other 2 of us, like, I'm like, please, just break us off. Like, break something off. And she would go like, anybody want ice? It's like, that's why days like these, like, I'm so happy with this. You know why? Looking back in the past, man. You guys want some ice? And you go here in the car just chomping on the ice. And be like, yo. It's like she would literally get like a cup of ice. And I'll be there, I'll be like, yo, what is happening? This is not what's supposed to take place. There are kids here, you know? I should have been one of those kids that went, I would sure love some KFC. Or, you know what's my favorite? What? KFC? But I didn't. I held it together. But to be honest though, there were some times where she would like split a wing with us or something, like. But yeah, that's why I'm so happy with this. I can eat as much as I want. Do you want some KFC? Sure enough. This is bagging. But anyway, I think I need to do one more thing. Oh, the biscuit. I know I started on the biscuit a little, but in truth, I normally leave the biscuit for last. Like, it's something that when I buy KFC, I always leave it for last and make sure I have just enough drinks to wash it down. So, maga shell it, you know. I don't know. It's like in the KFC in the US, like, do they have like refillable? I don't remember if they have refillables in the US, but Jamaica we have that. I just mentioned it because I hate when I go to like a restaurant and they give me like a lot of ice and a little bit of drinks. I have the option of doing it how I want it. So like the other day I was on my live. Shout out to the people who were on my live the other day who gave me suggestions and did give no donations to my PayPal. Like, shout you guys up all the time. But like one of the guys were like in the chat and he was like, yo, what's the ice to juice ratio in your cup? Because I was eating like Burger King. I was like, what? I was like, maybe 2 to 1. I don't know. Alright. I tell you, if you want to upset me, pack a dry biscuit in my box. That gets me triggered all the time, yo. But check this. But check it. Look at this. This is a biscuit, baby. This is what a biscuit is supposed to look like. It's supposed to be soft. Nice amount of butter. You can taste it on the crust. Oh yeah. You know what's up. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking out my mukbang. I appreciate your support. Yo, share the video if you want to. Well, not if you want to. Share the video. Make someone else hungry. Torture someone else. Give the video a like for sure. All my Jamaican people who know sex Jamaican KFC are the baddest thing out there. 100% up top. So share the video. But anyway, I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna continue eating my food. And then I'll catch you guys on the next mukbang. Drop some comments on what kind of mukbangs you want to see. Especially if it could be like really Jamaican kind of mukbangs. Drop that as well and I'll do them. Anyway, guys, I'm out.